Popular Nigeria singer Patrick Nnaemeka Okoli, popularly known as Patoranking, has paid homage to the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunsi. The Alaafin of Oyo established Women Museum. My people, na welcome to Maureen Gist TV. In case you dey watch me for the first time, abeg make you no forget to hit the subscribe button on all my returning subscribers. Say God go bless una. I greet everybody according to una time. Yeah, my people, this our popular musician wey dem dey call Patoranking don pay homage to the Ooni of Ife. Na im be dis photo wey una dey see. Patoranking portray to the Ooni of Ife as a symbol of respect to the traditional institute in Yoruba land. Yeah, so although we no know the reason why be say Patoranking decide to pay Ooni of Ife homage. From this picture, una go see say he and Ooni of Ife dem dey discuss, dem dey talk something. So me, from the way I for read this thing, dem no talk the reason why be say im pay am homage. Dem just say he pay am homage, and after im stay, after he and the Ooni of Ife dem don discuss finish, na Ooni of Ife come pray for am, come bless am. So this Patoranking na one of the very good musician wey be say e come into limelight. According to people, dem say im dey sell rat killer before God come answer im prayer. He come into the limelight. He's an award-winning musician wey be say he's doing well for himself. So na say I carry come for una, my people. Another gist wey be say I carry come na the Alaafin of Oyo. Una know the Alaafin of Oyo, that king wey like woman wey dey marry yellow women, when he get them plenty. Yes, so he don finally say he want to establish women museum. So my people, the Alaafin of Oyo don already talk im plan to open women museum. According to the Oba Lamidi Adeyemi III, the Alaafin of Oyo, on Sunday disclosed his plan to build a museum for women in Oyo State. So some kind crazy people wey be say dem dey think outside the box, dem come dey say sure, this king look finish, he no know wetin he go build, na museum for women, say he too like women. Although the king dey let us dey know say, according to wetin dem write, make I read am, e say Oba Adeyemi III made the disclosure late on Sunday night at a visual interview session organized by Professor Toyin Folala, a Nigerian professor of African Studies. He said that the museum would have an exhibition of the things women use and wear, to contrast between what women used to wear in those days and now. According to him, the essence of this was to re-emphasize the fact that African women were the finest in the world in their natural state, as well as draw the attention of the society to the danger of emulating Western culture in terms of dressing. I want to have a museum for women, the first in Africa. All the things women use in dressing up will be on display. I have been collecting these things for over 50 years now. Wow. No be small thing, my people. Women are seen going naked now, which is not part of our culture. Even in different parts of the world, they uphold their culture. In India, China, Saudi Arabia, and all, they keep their culture regardless of their civilization, he said. The Oba noted that the study of history should be encouraged in the school to enable Nigerians have a critical evaluation of their past and present, so as to proffer solutions to problems in the present and future. He said that the Yorubas were known for their strength in being hospitable, accommodating, and educationally inclined, noting that the ethnic group provided the first female doctor, the first women to drive, the first dentist, and more remarkable individual in the country. According to him, the Yoruba people have over the years also created formidable alliance with other ethnic groups through inter-ethnic marriage. The Yoruba people are known to be accommodating and hospitable. We have aligned ourselves with other ethnic groups to move across the globe. We will live in peace with other ethnic groups, and by the grace of God, that will continue to be the strength of the Yoruba people. Before Nigeria independence in 1960, we set the pace for everything in the Western region. Was the first to have self-government, the first area in Africa to have urban settlement. So Yoruba is a nation on its own. We have set the pace in education and enlightenment. He said, Adeyemi expressed his love for late Obafemi Awolowo. He described him as the best politician Nigeria ever had. He recalled how late Awolowo led the Western region out of the woods as he was a remarkable human being. Late Obafemi Awolowo was a phenomenon. He came before his time. He is the best politician we have ever had. I don't think we can have such a fellow again. He was a remarkable human being, the Oba said. Dis na wetin the king talk. So according to all these things wey be say I dey read, my people, the gbogbo things wey be say I dey read be say the Alaafin of Oyo say he want to make sure say, he say na since 50 years now he don dey collect all these items wey he wan put for the museum o, and say the museum na because of women na im dey do am. Say women im go, that is so that people go, all this our nowadays women go see how olden days women dem dey dress, how dem dey dress in those days. Say even though sef say the civilization don take place, e no mean say we go throway our culture. E say people like all this Indian wey una dey see, India, Saudi Arabia, all those one, till tomorrow dem still uphold their culture even though sef say civilization don come. Civilization no mean say we go throway our tradition and our custom. That is why this Alaafin of Oyo want to establish museum for women for Oyo State. So na since 50 years o, na this man don dey plan this plan dey come o, and una know say baba don old. So abeg make he establish this thing fast fast, so that at least, so he was even saying that all this history wey dem dey teach, dem suppose to dey teach history for school, so that make our generation, make dem no throw away their culture completely, make dem know say we be Africa. So na the thing wey be say the king want to actually do for the people of Oyo State, to build museum for women. No be say because from this thing wey be say im talk now, una go see say wetin im talk make sense. Why I say e make sense be say, when people visit those museum, dem go see some kind old traditional cloth, all those kind old things wey be say olden days people don use. Na for museum na dem go see am, and e go come remind us of our tradition. So the thing make sense well well. My people, how una see this matter? What are your thoughts? Wetin una think about this whole thing wey the Oba, that is the Alaafin of Oyo State, he want to establish museum for women for Oyo State? How una see am? In case una never subscribe to this channel, abeg make una hit the subscribe button. All my returning subscribers, say una do well. Now have a wonderful day. Bye.